Okay, hello. Okay, so as I mentioned, we are going to install JDK or Open JDK in the Mac machine, and for this demo, we are going to use Java version 13. This is the Open JDK website homepage, and you can just look at the URL. It's jdk.java.net. And once you hit that URL, you will be seeing all the versions which are available for you to download and start using it. It is all the way from 7 to 17. For this demo, as I mentioned, we will be using 13 on it. If I go up here, so let me increase the font a little bit. So you can see there's the latest versions up here, and then also you can click on the archive link on the left side bottom. So this will take you to the archive page, and then you can see all the archived versions up here. And then for this demo, if you want, we can just use 13 up here. I'm going to, so okay, that's another thing I want to mention. It there is a Windows version, Mac version, and Linux version. You can see it. So let's see. Okay, okay, so you'll see this is the version we are going to install for this demo. This demo up here, and then for specifically I'm using Mac, so this demo is about downloading the Mac version of JDK 13 and installing that. Okay, let's click on this. Download it. It's downloading that right now. So for the time save, I already just downloaded like 5 minutes before the same file. No, it's pretty fast. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, so keep this folder up here. Now if we go to downloads folder, and you will see there's two versions. I'll delete one of the versions. So but this is the version we just, let's pretend that this is the version we just downloaded it. And now there's a two-way you can extract this folder. If you are using a Mac, then you can double click this and then extract this folder. This is one way of doing it. In case if this didn't work, there is another way you can do it. You can open your terminal, increase the font a little bit. So you can go to your download folder, and then you can execute a command. Okay, let's make sure that we do have folder. Okay, so we do have this folder. So you can execute a command xvf. Okay, and then version, that will download the folder for you. So there is two ways you can download this version. One is double clicking that. If it didn't work, you can open a terminal, go to the downloads folder, and then you can extract this as it is. So now next step is like copy this folder. You can go to folder, library, go to Java virtual machine, and you have to paste it up here. This, enter your machine password, and you should be able to save this to your Java virtual machines folder. You can see there's a contents and home and various other folders on it. So now let's go here, and then let's see what is the Java version. Currently I do have it. I do have a 1.8.0 version. Now we copied this folder to the Java virtual machine. That doesn't mean that Java is active on your machine. So you have to go to bash profile. Let's enter your machine password, because I'm using sudo, and then you can see over here you need to upgrade the path as it is. So example, like, so this you need to give all the way to contents and home. You can see this is the path for it, and then library, Java virtual machine, and 13k and contents home. I already have the same path up here, but also I do have a separate sections up here, because I do have a various Java versions on my local machines previously. So I did use a method called set JDK. So this helps me to switch back and forth the versions of JDK. I'm going to comment this for now. then I'll uncomment it and then show you that what I meant by that. So this is default. I'm setting every time to JDK 8, but if you don't have that method, the set JDK method, it should be straight away working for you right now. So you say Java minus version, it will say 13 for you. But because now if I want to, why I do the set JDK method is because I want to now switch back to JDK 8. So how do I do it? So I had to go back to my sudo file again and then change the version to this. I have to modify this version up here and then save, exit, open terminal again, and then I do Java minus version. It's 1.8. So switching back and forth the version is always difficult when you have a multiple applications works on a different Java versions. So that is where I felt that this method really helps. I do have a separate complete video about how to configure all this, but for now I will show you how I do how the set method is just quickly working it, but I would recommend you to watch the other channel on it. So I'm opening the terminal again. Now my Java minus version is 1.8. I say set JDK 13 and then I just do Java minus version is Java 13. So you see the magic happens. If you want to know more detail about how the magic happens, I would recommend you to watch my other video on my channel. I'll post the links on the description for how to switch the versions of Java between multiple versions. I hope you understood how this has been configured, or of course, if you have any specific questions, I'm happy to answer it. Please post it on the comments or contact me on my email addresses. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.